Hello, 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 hello. Let's wait for a minute. All right, and welcome back, everyone. I would say welcome back, everyone. I would say welcome back, everyone. I would say welcome back, everyone. Uh, yeah. So welcome back to the devlog number four. Devlog number four for the game Blockopolis. Blockopolis is a Tetras-inspired city builder game where you would be placing bricks or tetros and you would be creating the buildings, completing goals, then would be unlocking new buildings and yeah, leveling up the city. So Blockopolis is a Tetris inspired resource management city building game, and yeah, as you can see, a lot of things have changed for the colors, and now I think it looks very pretty. The color theory you used here is I think almost perfect for this particular demo. So what you are seeing is version 3.5, and you can already play version 3 on the itch.io game link. Game link is there in the descriptions below, so you can check out the game there. And without wasting any more time, hello, 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 everyone. All right. So without wasting any more time, we will just, as usual, we will just play the game once before getting into the tasks that I have to do for today. And I would say the major current task that we would be tackling today is gonna be so there are these buildings which are there in air, and which look quite weird. So first thing is we want to put it on a base, like a flat base. That is one thing that we will be doing, and then next we will be taking care of the cameras. So if you would have noticed, I like the, like, trees are not too much, and then I like the current setup of the layout. uh we will be taking care of two cameras. So there are two types of cameras. One is city camera, which is responsible for the city uh, direction. So if you see this camera that is moving is the city camera. All right, and when you go inside, this is called the building camera. So we'll be taking care of those two cameras. We'll try to balance it out, try to work our way for it. um, then what we want to do next is we'll be working on these tutorials. So these are mere tutorials. So tutorials are there for people who are playing the game for the first time, and this is a text based tutorial, so it's gonna be slightly lengthy. And we want to have these kind of tutorials for the game. throughout all entire game. And then you have image based tutorial which is like very very old. I think this was made in prototype in version 2, and it is not at all good. um, so yes, that's uh, that's what we'll be tackling today. um, the city initially feels a bit empty because there is no building, and that is how it is supposed to be. um, the butterflies look very good with the green color in the background. And then hey Surya, how are you doing? How are you doing, brother? How are you doing? Hey Surya, you have you played this game? So I'm working on this game with one of my friends, like one of my friend, and then the game link is in the description. You can play it out, and yeah, dude, let me know what you think. Drop me a message and let me know what you think. So let's just play the game, and the goal is 25. I am getting, so these are the initial blocks. So initial blocks are always first building is always going to be blue, so it's very easy. And then we'll go for a construction slot, and then as usual we'll go for a paint shop. Now here in this stream I'll try to balance the game as well a bit, but I'm not sure if I'll have the time. But yeah, now let's put blue here, and we have yellow which would go here, and then we have blue again. I need we have blue again. Let's go, the goal is complete. And let's move to the second. We need a stash building. Of course we need a stash building, and we got more buildings unlocked now. So interesting now how I played. We have some ideas that we want to do, like an off-screen marker. So if you see right now, the screen is showing 4 buildings. There is a special building, and then there is a building here which has two buildings, but which has 3 colors. So we want to do an off-screen marker which will just tell you that okay, there is a building here which has a red color goal or something like that. So that's something that we are planning. We are thinking about it. It's not sure yet. Okay, now we have blue. Blue will not go there. Blue will go here. Let's put it here. Green, red. Then red is done there. Blue is done. Oh, we put yellow there. Okay, green is here. And we got blue again, but the blue shape is not correct. Okay, I can put it here. And yeah, this shape is perfect for this. This is too zoomed out. I forgot how we had implemented it, but I'll have to do this first thing. Okay, green is there, so I'm gonna try to place it inside this, and here you go. And then we have another green which should go perfectly here. Building is done there, and let's do this one. Yeah, we got a green goal there, but we do not need a green goal. Now let's use some special abilities. Like we have Surya in the chat. He does not know how what special abilities the game has. So let's press 1 and let's change the color to I would say yellow. Let's change the color to yellow. Oh, what happened there? Okay, let's change the color to yellow and let's put it here. And as you can see, combo, and the color was changed. I got a combo, and yeah, that's the game, man. That is game. Let's get a higher combo. Okay, we need to put yellow as well, so yellow can easily go here. and we got a blue would go here, and building is now leveled up to level 4. So now the interesting part is after level 4, like the maximum level is 5 for this building. So when it reaches 5, I'll get an opportunity to make it either a office building, a residential building, or an industrial building. So that's up to me how I want the game to play. Right now uh, I need 200 more population, so when I complete goals I get population reward. And let's put it here and let's complete this goal first. Now interesting part is blue is needed here. Okay, so I'm gonna put blue here. This is too zoomed out, it is not supposed to be this zoomed out. We'll see what has to be done there. Okay, okay, would fit here nicely. I need red. Red is okay. This would also fit here nicely. I still need. Okay. This should go here, and building is done. I got so if you would play the game, you would see there are gambling too fast, but because we want to play the game quickly, let's dash because that's the second special building that we have. And I have stashed it, and now we got red can. Oh damn it, is not connected. And so yeah, this is the entirety of the game. Now more buildings will be unlocked, so let me just enable the testing UI and let me just show you how uh, more plots are unlocked. You get more colors, you get more buildings, more special buildings. So there is this special building which is special building which lets you control the multiplier of combos, and then you get more upgrade cards. More upgrade cards as in more get more plots, and I can change the goal for all the buildings. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the entirety of this game right now as the gameplay. Now as you progress you will have more buildings, so we are planning to have more cities. More cities would mean um more cities would mean more game time. More game time would make the game more interesting, so that is what we are planning to do next. uh, I would need it. All right, I am back, and yeah, now let's start with today's task. I noticed that this building was inside, I would say, so I need to move it. First thing I need to move it, and I should just rotate it slightly. This better because this building was going inside the uh, plot, which was not looking nice. So this is the first thing that we'll be changing, and let me just quickly commit changes so that we don't have many changes to like we don't have to have massive changes in one commit. Small commits with small changes would work. uh, Building positions. Oh, yeah, let's keep doing that. Let's keep focusing on that. Then what we would be going with is city camera. So right now city camera is this city camera uh, looks like this. So let's quickly open and let us see what we do. Let's wait for Visual Studio to open. So Visual Studio is open. So as you can see, the game is made in not just mono behavior. It is using something called Unity Atoms. Unity Atoms is a scriptable object based architecture, and we are using that in the project. So you can check out the Unity Atoms page, GitHub page, and check it out. See if it is useful for you and your project. Unity Atoms is still being made, so I think Unity Atoms was first introduced in 2018, and from 2018 it has been under development, and till date it is under development. Hey Shubham, how are you doing? Big fan, sir. Yeah, big fan of you for joining the stream, and thanks for joining the stream, I would say, and thanks for being part of my struggle with the game. Thanks for being part of uh, the game. Yeah, hey, yeah, big fan, Surya, big fan. So, yeah, what do you think about this game so far? You saw me playing, Surya. What do you think? Would you like to play such a game, or I know you are more of a Dota player, but would this game be any fun for you if it is released, or something like that? You can obviously play the game and let me know. So yeah, now the camera bounce is something that I wanted to work on. First thing, uh, graphic. Because the camera bound is very restrictive, it stops the camera from going out of the city. It makes the game slightly difficult to play because your movement is restricted a lot, so your camera jumps around a bit, and I do not want the cameras to jump. Yeah, bro, supporting devs, yes. So Surya here is one of my game dev friends, and we have actually worked together for quite a long time, and yeah, he's an awesome developer. Works very it makes the he makes the things feel very effortlessly. Like he'll do the task and you'll be like, wow, how is that possible? And he'll make sure that it looks like crazy work. You are my lead. Yeah. True, man, true. Sure. So yeah, uh enough about the chit chats, and let's now work on the game. Let's commit our changes and city camera found. Let's quickly commit, quick changes and quick commits and make it more fun for us to work. Now, regarding the balancing part of the game, I am not sure if you guys have seen it, but why is it black? Damn it! Did I break some? Yeah, I think I broke. Editor is glitched out. Everything is black. My God, I don't know why. But let's go for city goals. Go to variables and go to behavior goal generator. Now, first goal. First goals are these, and then you have random goals, random one goal, random two goal, and their weightage as well. So random three goal. So non-negative weight for this item, only relative sizes, value do not have to add up to 1. Example 0.3 versus 0.3, more likely just like 30 versus 10. Okay. So right now it is 1. So I'm going to make it 2 because we are not getting number of 3 goals as that much like needed as much. And I'm going to reduce the number of goals of 2 by like make it 4. And there is a reason why behind it is I want to push 3 goals to come because that increases the difficulty and that makes me use uh no, it makes me use the abilities a lot, and I want to use abilities more. Right now I'm going to go to the scriptable object here, go open the data, and here you can see what colors and themes the random one goal will have. So it will select one of this color and one of the theme, so we don't have any theme. Max count is 25 to 35, which is, I would say, decent. I would say it is decent, but I think, I personally think it should be increased slightly. So instead of making it 4, I am going to be making it 4.5, and this is not going to be 5.5. So I would quickly explain what these values are. So goals percentage increased by building level. So based on the building level, the number of goals that show up increases. Dominant color discount percentage. Sorry, this is supposed to be 4 only. Dominant color discount percentage is every building has a dominant color. So meaning that the goal for that particular color is going to be higher, and it's always going to be maximum. So it reminds you to keep that particular color in a combo, like always have that color in a connection. So I'm gonna increase just the gold percentage by building level, and I'm gonna open the random two goals as well. And here you would see there is a discount and then there is a dominant color. So these values are actually made for balancing the game. So I am gonna increase the values by 0.35, and reward is gonna be 200. And here I'm gonna just keep it same. I don't want the random 3 goals to increase. I just want 2 and 1 to increase, because 3 is already very difficult because the size of the building is too small initially at level 1. So you don't have a lot of space, and you have to select if you want the building to have as a dumping ground. So when I say dumping ground, but dumping building is where you just dump blocks in order to get your desired color block or the brick. So it's something like that, and that is what we have done so far. Let me quickly commit this change. So what did I change? I changed the city goal. So I need to push city goal generator, and wait, I changed what in what? Yeah, I changed this, right? So I need to apply it to city goals. All right. So let's quickly commit my changes. So city goals, random 2 and random 1. Game balance with city goals. So we have increased the difficulty, made it more difficult. Okay, so the commit message says that, and I'm just gonna quickly commit it. Now that's done. That's out of the way. Camera is done. City is done. Uh, City camera. Where is city script? Yeah, so city script is here. I would say this is a decent value because I had changed this value. Like I made everything exactly half. For us to make it more playable, more easier. Yeah, and all right. What was I gonna do next? Yeah, you want to work on where is color? What happened to the color? I don't know, but something messed up. Let me see what got messed up. Desert ground, desert. Put a bunch of these values. Discard change. Let's see if it is. I did not do anything. So I don't know what went wrong. City bound. All right. What is left now? Dialogues. Of course. So we have mayor dialogues. Mayor dialogue is here, and pum 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 pum. I wanted to balance the buildings as well. Open the building on 9. The gray color building. Gray building dominant color. It's on blocks. Block color. I would say this is fine. Building height. Grid height. Max tower height. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it right now. I'm gonna be playing with these values uh, later. Now let's open the building prefab. Tetras building plot prefab, and let's quickly. I would say I think I need to restart Unity or something. Let's quickly restart Unity, and don't remember. Uh, let's let's quickly open Unity. Let's wait for Unity to open. I'm gonna drink a sip of water till then. So, what do you think, Surya, so far? What do you think, Shubham, if you are still here? What do you think, guys? What do you think about the game? And what are your thoughts about the game? Is it fun? Is it boring? What is missing? Have you played the game? So let me just open the .io page as well for Blockopolis, and Yeah, this is the game page. This is version 3. As you can see, version 3, version 1, version 2, version 3. Version 3 was out in May. Then we did not work a lot. We are not working full time. We are working as part time. And see, as of July 2025, and the current version 3.5 is going to be out in this week itself. We are trying to push ourselves, and sounds can be improved, on my opinion. Yeah, so currently the game has I would say 0 to I don't know, like it has almost no sounds. There are sound effects for sure, like you can click buttons and then there are these sound effects, but there is no sound in the game right now. So that's actually a good point, Surya, that for 3.5 we will try to include sound, like a background sound and ambient sound, to make the game more pleasing. And we would also like to include tutorials, so that is what we'll plan. I still don't know why this is not fixed, whereas this is in shaded mode. Surya, are you aware what's broken? Why is the scene broken? Can you think of any reasons behind it? Because I cannot think of any particular reason for uh, Tetris on the real world. Yeah, so it is not Tetris. I would say Tetris is not something that like, yes, of course the game play is Tetris inspired, but we wanted to have more of a resource management city building style game. So uh, the game is heavily inspired by mini metro and mini motorways, and then islanders and Dofromantic. So I would say it's a collection of all these games, and uh, it's something that we wanted to try for a while. And this is basically a game jam submission that we had done. And oh yeah, I think so. I know why it is broken. Damn it. Uh, oh my god, crazy me. So perspective to isometric is the reason why it was broken. Oh my god, my bad. I did not notice that. And yeah, this is the prefab. Does not have much actually, and this is how our prefab structure is. Um, we wanted to see camera. So camera is this camera position. Building camera position is building camera priority. This is when the building camera becomes like when you click on a building. Switch to camera views when you press what? Uh, oh, Q. Okay, cancel button. Okay, okay. Which is the escape here. Uh, then building camera default height, follow height, unfollow, smooth heights of minimum height, follow. Okay. This is fine as well. Building camera collider, which we had worked in last devlog. Building camera positions, building cinemachine camera, front position, back position, building camera toggle. I would like to just open the script and see what exactly is happening there. I do not remember what's missing. Yeah, let's quickly take a look at the script and let's try to remember. So, by vertical set missing components. Um, Update camera position, update camera view, update missing. That is uh uh, for camera set. Alright, I think camera build camera is fine. Um, let's open the tutorial. This is the prototype 4, the version 4 that we are working on. I'll quickly just showcase it. I'm not gonna give you like a. I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek. Uh, well, that's it. That's all you get to see. It's a triangle based grid style. I will be back in a minute. Thanks for watching. Just wait for a minute. I'll be back. There is someone on the door. Right, guys. Sorry for the wait. I am back. Had a courier to. I had a parcel to collect. So, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's not waste any time. What was I thinking? Yeah. Uh, that. Now, how will I make it? That is very simple. Uh, yes. Was yes. Yes. Make it more flat. Uh, and I think this much flat is fine. Or let's not make this flat, but let's try to rotate this guy. Try to play with the values. Sorry. And cut. Now let's just see if this looks any decent. Yeah, this looks I would say this looks actually decent, not bad. uh Also in air, which is something this is also slightly in but yeah, I think this looks decent. All right, I am gonna commit this changes, and I am gonna continue working on this game, uh post the stream. So do check out the game and do let me know your feedback. All right, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next devlog. Bye bye.